to Home and Hearth Living. I'm Laura Lynn, and I'm going to make up one of our favorites here for a lunch or a snack is chicken salad. And instead of using grapes, which you would normally use a green grape and cut in half, I have some saturated with just water, cranberries, and some Thompson raisins. And I think that'll give us that little fruity flavor that we're looking for. I have chicken breast as well as dark meat left over from a chicken that I peeled up. I have some celery here chopped already, and I got some green onions. So let's get the green onions in the bowl and have a little bit more celery. We like a little celery. We like the crunch. We like the crunch. Okay, so we're going to slice up these guys right here. Okay, there and there, because we don't want a big piece. We want like just little tiny chunks to go with the celery with our salad. Okay, and I've got some spices and some mayonnaise. You could use Miracle Whip, you can use mayonnaise, whatever it is that you like. That's whatever for you. And of course you can mayonnaise it up or just have just a little bit so it all sticks together. We're looking for just a little bit so it all sticks together. We don't want too much of the mayonnaise. Okay. Alright. Toss celery in there. And then we got some chicken to chop up. Let's put our cranberries and raisins in there. Okay, it's about a cup of that, and then I think it was 4 stalks of celery and 2 good-sized green onions. Okay, and of course this chicken breast is all cooked. We did season it up with a little bit of barbecue seasoning, but that's about it. Now this is a organic chicken from our friends up the road. We buy some chickens from them. They're quite large, actually. They're about anywhere from 7 to 9 pounds. So we get one chicken, and we usually get about 3 meals out of it. So, and this is another one of how making it stretch. So you can cut it up and make a nice little chicken salad, and get a little more goodies into all of us. And you want a good sized chunk. You don't want it too small. You want to know what you're eating. So just pop that in there. Pop that in there. And that was probably about, I'd say, 3 cups of chicken. Okay. And that's to feed the boys and I. And that would probably do just for one lunch. And they may have a bun or some crackers or something to go with it. I do have some homemade buns here, so we'll probably just have some of that. Okay, toss that in there. Make sure there's no bones too. That's another reason why you're trying to chop everything up. Okay. Make sure there's no bones in what you're incorporating into your salad. That's never a good surprise. Okay. I think that some of that stuff is just more for Sophie Loaf. She gets a treat. Okay. So once you get all that in the same bowl, let's move this over here. Oops. Okay, and then we have a little bit of onion powder. Just to do a little drizzle. Doesn't have to be anything intense. Got some black pepper, same, just a sprinkle. A little bit of cayenne for flavor, or you can use paprika. You can use garlic. I'm gonna put a couple of twisties of the salt. And just mix this first with those spices on top. Okay. And you could use maybe a red onion instead of a green onion. Like I said, normally we put green grapes in there, but I didn't want to go down to the store, and I thought, you know what, let's do something fun and exciting, and it's like a chicken cranberry salad, so why not? Who says we can't? So, and that's about a cup of Miracle Whip or mayonnaise, whatever you like, depending where you're from. Okay, and give that a good stir. Like I said, we just want enough to stick it together. We don't want to like have it all saturated. Okay, and if you feel maybe you need to toss some more chicken in there, toss some more chicken, or you want a little bit more or you want to put grapes as well as raisins and cranberries in there. I thought chicken and cranberry always take good together, and so is turkey and cranberry. So, and then you can always season it to taste. If you need a little bit more salt or pepper, or you want to add a little bit of garlic, then you can go ahead and put it in there. All right, isn't that beautiful? And that's pretty much easy peasy. That's it. That's pretty much just let it sit. Let me just put this stuff over here and wash my hands. Looks really good. So you kind of want to give it a little bit to set, and I'm just going to put some saran wrap on it and pop it in the fridge and let it sit for about, you know, half an hour to an hour before we all tuck in for lunch. So thank you for joining me today on making this chicken cranberry raisin salad. And I hope you have an amazing day. Big hugs to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any of the Home and Hearth living shows. Okay, take care, bye. See ya. Chicken salad. Yum.